In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share a file on Google Drive. So if you want to share a file on Google Drive, this is a simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is obviously come over to Google Drive and log into your account. And then you will need to locate a file that you want to share. So for example, what I will do is I will just go ahead and share this one here. What you need to do now is right click on the file. And then as you can see near the top, there is an option now to share. So if you click on share, what that will do is it will open up this little window here. And what you can do now is you can share with people and groups. So you can add someone by putting in their email address, for example. So ryan.howtoonline, which comes up right there. If you click on that, you can send them this specifically to them. What else you can do is you can come back and you can click on the get link tab here. Once you click on that, as you can see, it says restricted at the bottom, so only people added can open with this link. If you click on the drop down menu here, what you can do is you can click on anyone with the link. Once you do that, you can copy the link here. Once you copy the link, you can send it to anyone you want to share the file with. And then what they will do is they will obviously click on it or paste it into their search bar, and then it will open it on their computer. So it's just that simple to go ahead and share a file from Google Drive, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on the video, and I will see you in the next one.